Wow, it's so amazing. Look, there are so many wild animal toys here. Okay, let's review one by one. But before we review one by one, don't forget to subscribe and share this video. Okay, do you know what is this? This is tiger. Wow, this is tiger. Okay, then what about this one? Do you know? This is rhinoceros. This is rhinoceros. Wow, it's so amazing. What about this one? This is wolf. This is wolf. Wow. Then what about this? This is giraffe. This is giraffe. Giraffe is the highest animal in the world. Okay, next. This is rhinoceros. This is rhinoceros. What about this one? This is dolphin. This is dolphin. Okay, next. This is crab. This is crab. Okay, and then this is goat. This is goat. Okay, what about this? This is horse. This is horse. Okay, next. This is whale. This is whale. Okay, what about this? This is rhinoceros. This is rhinoceros. Okay, what about this? This is sea lion. This is sea lion. And then what about this one? This is tiger. This is tiger. Wow, it's so amazing. What about this one? This is camelot. This is camelot. Okay, and then look, this is green turtle. This is green turtle. Okay, what about this? This is cow. This is cow. Okay, next. This is octopus. This is octopus. What about this? This is whale. This is whale. Okay, next. This is bear. This is bear. Okay, what about this one? This is zebra. This is zebra. Then what about this? This is dog. This is dog. Okay, thank you very much.